Becky, you just won One Direction. What do you do?
Oh, they don't need to know. I don't know. I'd probably make them sing for me hours on end until they die.
No PG-13 things?
That's Niall. Maybe some Harry and Liam in there, but mostly just Niall. Smexy beasts!
Oh, and that wasn't random at all. I'm following you.
Awkwardness. I don't want people see my smexy face.
They just saw your butt.
Why would you take a... Are you serious?
It's a video, child.
What's wrong with you? Hey, everyone. Lexi's weird and she's gay. I just called you gay.
Yes, I'm gay. I'm happy.
Oh, I'm wearing one sock. Because my footy. See? Look at my lovely feet. Don't look at my feet. I actually have nasty feet.
Hey, we have cinnamon crisps.
Ooh, I have.
No!
I just touched my foot, too.
Mine. Hey, you can see my blue pants. Oh my goodness. And everything's so fuzzy.
Maybe it's just your eyes. You four-eyed person.
I'm gonna cry.
I love it.
This person is a meanie.
This happened on the same day. Again.
Yep. Your I loved what your eyebrows did. Just
Know what I mean?
So, you just won Joseph Britt.
Oh.
What do you do?
Oh, rated R.
Very rated R? Oh, Becky.
Over the top. I'm just kidding. Probably just go to the movies and go out to eat. He'll pay it for us. I ain't got no money.
Oh, it's the 21st century, though. Are you sure he's going to do that? He might make you pay.
Well, then I'll have to steal some money off of him. If you guys don't recall, Justin Britt, love him still.
It's the love of her life.
Yep. But he has a girlfriend.
Who is not the
Oh, her girlfriend.
meanest and brightest person? Well, she's mean. That's what I meant to say. She's not bright, and she's mean.
Yeah. I hope he doesn't see this.
He did, if he follows me, he doesn't even know me. He doesn't follow me on Tumblr. He's not cool enough for Tumblr.
Totally.
Yep.
I'm sitting here eating,
Yep.
and they're watching me eat like some freaks.
They probably won't even watch it.
Wow. But, yeah.
But if you are watching and you are my followers, I love you, and I want to marry you. That's how much I love you, okay? Okay.
She's a psychopathic killer, and one day you're gonna wake up and see her at the end of your bed with an axe. But lock your doors at night, people.
It's not true.
It is. It's happened to me. How do you think of a friend?
Oh, that's so mean. You're saying I just had to kill someone in order for me to have a friend?
No.
You know what? If I wanted to kill you, you'd already be dead.
I could run faster than you.
Yep, I would probably just waddle.
You like just. Let me just throw the axe, and once you can't, you just go, I'll get you later.
You come back. They always come back.
Stand still while I eat you. Or
Yes, I'm a cannibal, Becky.
I don't know.
Uh,
Her Netflix isn't working.
and it sucks.
Death to us all.
Exactly. Death to my feet because the rocks really hurt it, and death in general because no Netflix. Meep.
We have too fun of a time.
People are going to think we're on so many drugs. Hey, I sound like Austin Carlile. Tumblr people will get it.
I'm like, who's Austin Carlile? I have a Tumblr, but I'd never get on it, ever. Ever. I don't have
Yeah.
internet in my house. I'm not related to her. Thank Jesus. I'm just
She
kidding,
has a
Lexi, I love
Tumblr,
you.
but it's lame.
Oh, like your face!
Oh, like your face.
That's the lamest comeback in the world, Lexi. This proves how lame you are.
Who even uses lame anymore? Oh, a bunch of lame people. Yes, we're lame.
I love you.
I love you too.
Am I fat?
No?
Hey, people, you guys need to like comment or whatever you guys do on Tumblr if you tumble in. About whether or not I'm fat.
You.
Okay?
Okay, they will.
Complete strangers, I need to know whether or not I'm fat.
They probably think you're gorgeous. They think I'm gorgeous. I'm kidding. No, I'm
Why?
not.
Don't you?
Ah! See, she's a bully. Hey, it's Drake and Josh, and you can't see it because it's blurry.
Holy mother! What is your problem?
I don't know. I'm so crazy. I'm on a laughing.
Ooh! Why is it so blurry?
I told you.
No one's gonna watch. It's like 6 minutes. No one's gonna watch it.
Well,
We're gonna stop it now. Ready?
okay, bye.
Toodaloo.